Mth122 Quantitative Literacy for Kendall College, Winter 2017. My name is Professor Johnson, William Johnson. I want to give you a quick walkthrough for the course. Make sure you understand what I'm expecting for you from an online course. If you have not already, you'll get to Blackboard for Kendall College. You will click My Courses, and you should have a course list right here. And you should see Mth122 B1, our course, in your list. The rest of these are my own courses. Obviously, your list is going to look different. Clicking on that, you will get to our course. First stop is announcements. It's blank now. We're just starting out. Maybe 2-3 times a week, I will post announcements. I will post videos, other general information for our course. Left-hand side, I want to make sure you understand all the different buttons here, tabs on our class, and make sure you understand what is going to be expected of you week in and week out in our course. Announcements, as I mentioned, general news, faculty, my contact information, text. In terms of resources for our class, the text should be, I would say, a general first stop. It is an online PDF. You do not need to buy a textbook for this class, with information about each of the topics. Good first stop. I'll talk about some other resources, including online tutoring, coming up soon. Syllabus. Some of you have asked about syllabus, so clicking on that. Before I had not loaded it, my fault. I take the blame on that one, but we're current now. You'll see the syllabus right here. Click it, check out the rules. How do grades work, tests, information about that general stuff about our class. Student contract, click that, and you will need to sign it digitally, type in your name, and save it. I'll need you to sign and save your contract. Down here, student class schedule. Once you have signed the contract, you can jump over here to submit homework. All homework is submitted online in this class. Click Submit Student Contract, and you see this is really, it's like sending an email. You'll hit Attach File, browse my computer, and then you can find that contract, and boom, you'll get 5 points. Easiest 5 points you'll get all term. Make sure you get that done by Sunday. That's where the student contract will be submitted. And actually all homework, like I said, I will talk about how to submit other homework in a coming video. The last two things you need to know on a weekly basis are course documents. That is like our weekly homework. Week number 1, linear modeling. If you speak math, linear modeling is a y = mx + b, your standard line. So general overview of the information. The lecture, which is really an excerpt from that textbook. Just a general resource for you to deal with this homework. And then here's the actual homework assignment down here. You will download it and complete it. How do you submit it? I'll get that in the next video in terms of what I'm looking for scanned submissions. And as they are created, I will post videos down here. At the very least, what should you know? Course documents, that's where our homework for this class lives. You'll be visiting that every week. Problems of the week, the very last thing. If you have taken an online class at Kendall before, you know online courses have discussion boards. They're renamed in this class. Instead of discussion board, we're going to call them problems of the week. And they're like they say, a math brain teaser every week. How do you do them? Well, you click on problems of the week. I've grouped everybody into a group. Mine is number 4. Everybody is assigned to a different group. Clicking on number 4, you will see your teammates, group mates, whatever you want to call it, and then underneath group discussion board. So clicking on group discussion board, you'll be doing this every week. Click on group discussion board, and boom, there's your brain teaser. And you'll notice there's 3 of them, 1, 2, 3. Look through the brain teasers. You're going to do your best to solve them. You might not know the exact answer for every single question, but that's why it's a group assignment. Someone else can help you out. Click on the group, click on the create thread, and you are ready down here to type your answers to the problem. That is the general weekly overview of what I'm going to be expected in this class. You will get weekly announcements. First week, you got to do syllabus and contract. Course documents is weekly homework, and problems of the week under the group discussion board is your weekly brain teaser where you will submit an answer and then collaborate with your group to get an answer. Like I said, that's your general overview. It'll start to make sense more as we get into it. But hopefully that's a good ground floor for getting started in our class. Now, I want to be very clear about 2 things. Number 1, there will be online tutoring for this class. More information coming soon. And number 2, in terms of submitting and scanning in homework for submission, I will have another video on exactly how to get it submitted in PDF format. Any questions? Shoot me an email. But welcome to the class, and looking forward to a good 10 weeks worth of mathematics.